Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review the MSI Pro MP223 monitor. We'll dive into its specifications, assess its performance specifically for gaming, and ultimately determine if it offers good value for your setup. This monitor is often considered for both productivity and casual gaming, so we'll see how it holds up under pressure. Let's get started by looking at what makes this display tick. The MSI Pro MP223 comes with a 21.45-inch Full HD VA panel, offering a crisp 1920 by 1080 resolution. This display provides a wide 178-degree viewing angle, ensuring consistent visuals. For smooth motion, it features a 100 Hz refresh rate and a rapid 1 millisecond MPRT response time, which is crucial for gaming. It also includes anti-flicker and low blue light technologies for eye comfort during extended use. When it comes to gaming, the MSI Pro MP223 offers a noticeable upgrade over typical 60 Hz displays thanks to its 100 Hz refresh rate. The 1 millisecond MPRT response time is excellent for reducing ghosting and motion blur, which is vital in competitive titles. While it's not a high-end gaming monitor, it provides a surprisingly fluid experience for its class, especially with adaptive sync helping to prevent screen tearing. Considering its features, the MSI Pro MP223 presents a strong case for budget-conscious gamers and users seeking a versatile display. Its 100 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time deliver a solid gaming experience, especially for casual play. The eye care technologies are a significant plus for extended use, whether gaming or working. While it might not compete with premium gaming monitors, it offers excellent value for its price point. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.